Hey Tesla fans! Automobile high voltage, welcome to the ultimate hub for everything Tesla. From groundbreaking updates on autopilot and full self-driving, to the latest on Cybertruck, Optimus, Gigafactories, and Elon Musk's bold innovations, we've got it all, right here. If you're passionate about the future of electric vehicles and want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because this channel is fully charged with Tesla news, deep dives, and tech breakdowns every week. Let's start our video. Elon Musk has consistently propelled Tesla along a trailblazing path, crafting innovations that diverge sharply from the offerings of competitors such as Ford, Rivian, or Toyota. This visionary approach, first honed in the realm of electric vehicles, now fuels Tesla's bold venture into humanoid robotics with Optimus. Unlike other robotics firms that chase advancements in swift mobility or raw computational power, Tesla has adopted a unique strategy, channeling over half its engineering resources into perfecting the robot's hands. Musk, a leader with unparalleled ambition, posits that human intelligence finds its most profound expression through manual dexterity. He contends that, across millions of years of evolutionary progress, no anatomical feature has been more pivotal than the hand. In humanity's earliest days, our ancestors relied on their hands to erect enduring structures and execute intricate tasks, well before advanced cognition took shape. This belief underpins Tesla's decision to make hands the technological cornerstone of Optimus, particularly in its third-generation model, Gen 3. Musk is convinced that these hands, driven by cutting-edge engineering, will distinguish Optimus from its peers, positioning it as the world's most advanced humanoid robot, capable of tackling a vast array of tasks. Yet, the journey to realize this vision is fraught with formidable challenges, from supply chain constraints to technical limitations. Today's exploration delves into the obstacles Tesla must overcome to bring Optimus Gen 3 to fruition, with a focus on the critical role of its hands. Welcome to Auto Intel. The Optimus Gen 3 hand and forearm, boasting 22 degrees of freedom, has entered initial production, showcasing remarkable abilities like catching balls and manipulating delicate objects with finesse. This milestone highlights the hand's centrality to human capability, a truth Tesla seeks to replicate in robotics. In a remarkably short span, Optimus has evolved from a conceptual sketch to a leader in humanoid robotics. Creating a robot that emulates human manual dexterity sets an exceptionally high standard, one that demands breakthroughs in engineering, intelligence, and manufacturing. The Gen 3 hand, with its 22 degrees of freedom, doubles the 11 degrees of its predecessor, a testament to Tesla's innovative drive. However, achieving this level of sophistication introduces a host of challenges, from sourcing specialized components to ensuring reliable performance in real-world conditions. The human hand, with its 27 degrees of freedom, enables us to perform any task within our physical capacity, from crafting tools to conveying emotions. Equipped with 5 agile fingers, hundreds of sensory nerves, and a complex mechanical framework, the hand is an unparalleled instrument for creativity, labor, and interaction. Tesla's pursuit of a robotic hand that mirrors this versatility has positioned Optimus as a potential game-changer, but the path to mass production and deployment is riddled with obstacles. When Musk announced that Optimus Gen 3's hand achieves 22 degrees of freedom, Tesla sparked widespread anticipation, redefining the possibilities of humanoid robotics. This achievement is not merely about mechanical design but about overcoming the myriad challenges that accompany such innovation. Advancing from 11 to 22 degrees of freedom, the hand is now just 5 degrees shy of human capability. To illustrate, the 11-degree hand already enabled Optimus to fold garments, tend to plants, handle eggs without breaking them, assemble electronic components, transport battery trays, and serve beverages. These feats are only the beginning, as Optimus' manual and cognitive capacities remain in development. However, the complexity of the 22-degree hand introduces significant technical and production hurdles that Tesla must navigate. Observing Optimus in action, its gait may not immediately command attention. Some liken its movements to those of a cautious elder, noting impacts on balance and smoothness. Yet, when Optimus manipulates objects with its hands, its performance is striking. In recent demonstrations, Optimus has caught a tennis ball with pinpoint accuracy, a task requiring seamless coordination of mechanics and intelligence. The hand's ability to perform such feats stems from its advanced design, which accounts for nearly half the robot's mechanical complexity. In humans, each finger comprises 3 joints and a sophisticated muscular network. Reproducing this in a robotic hand, while maintaining a human-like scale, is a monumental achievement. Tesla's Gen 3 hand, with its 22 degrees of freedom, surpasses other commercial humanoid robots, most of which operate with only 5 or 6. Each finger moves independently, capable of rotation, flexion, twisting, and delicate contact, enabling tasks like typing or dishwashing. However, this sophistication comes with significant challenges, particularly in production and reliability. One of the most pressing obstacles is the supply chain for critical components, especially the high-performance servo motors and rare earth permanent magnets that power the hand's compact actuators. Unlike the larger motors used in electric vehicles, robotic hands require miniature motors that deliver robust power and exquisite precision. These motors rely on rare earth magnets, which are subject to global supply constraints, particularly due to trade restrictions in key producing regions. The limited availability of these magnets poses a significant risk to Tesla's ability to scale production, as the hand's design depends on their unique properties to achieve its 22 degrees of freedom. This supply chain bottleneck could delay the deployment of Optimus Gen 3, requiring Tesla to explore alternative materials or secure new suppliers, both of which add complexity and cost. Production challenges extend beyond materials to the manufacturing process itself. The hand's intricate design, with its elastic cables mimicking human tendons and integrated tactile sensors, demands precision assembly that is difficult to achieve at scale. Each cable must be calibrated to ensure accurate force feedback, allowing the hand to adjust grip strength dynamically for tasks like cradling an egg or tightening a screw. The tactile sensors, which enable the hand to perceive textures, pressures, and temperatures, require meticulous integration to maintain sensitivity without compromising durability. These components, combined with the hand's complex control system, increase the risk of manufacturing defects, necessitating rigorous quality control measures. Scaling these processes to produce thousands or millions of units remains a daunting task, as Tesla cannot rely on its existing electric vehicle supply chain, which is tailored to larger, less intricate components. Technical limitations further complicate Optimus Gen 3's development. The hand's advanced capabilities rely on a sophisticated AI system to process sensory inputs and execute precise movements in real time. However, this AI is still evolving, with current models occasionally exhibiting response latency, particularly in dynamic or noisy environments. For instance, when performing tasks in cluttered settings, Optimus may hesitate or misinterpret commands, impacting its efficiency. Object recognition is another area of concern, as the robot can struggle to differentiate similar items, leading to errors in tasks like sorting or assembly. These limitations are compounded by the hand's dependence on real-time data processing, which requires low-latency hardware that adds to production costs and complexity. Mobility challenges also pose a significant hurdle. While the hand's dexterity is unparalleled, Optimus' overall balance and locomotion are less refined. The robot's cautious gait, often compared to that of an elder, limits its ability to navigate uneven surfaces, high steps, or cluttered environments, which could hinder its effectiveness in domestic or industrial settings. For example, in a factory, Optimus must maneuver around equipment and obstacles, while in a home, it may encounter carpets, stairs, or pets. Improving balance and mobility without compromising the hand's performance is a critical challenge, as the robot's weight distribution, influenced by the heavy forearm actuators, affects its stability. The hand's tactile sensing system, while innovative, also presents challenges. The sensors must be protected by a covering that balances flexibility and durability, a delicate engineering feat. A covering too thick dulls the sensor's sensitivity, impairing tasks like texture recognition, while one too thin risks wear or damage from frequent use. This protective layer is essential for ensuring the hand's longevity, particularly in demanding environments like factories or homes, where it may encounter abrasive surfaces or repetitive tasks. Developing a material that meets these requirements without adding excessive weight or cost is an ongoing challenge for Tesla's engineering team. The integration of the hand's control system into the forearm further complicates development. The system, which uses artificial tendons to achieve smooth, precise movements, increases the forearm's weight, disrupting the robot's overall balance. Engineers are working to lighten other components, such as the arm's structural framework, to offset this, but doing so without sacrificing strength or functionality is difficult. The control system's complexity also demands significant computational resources, which can strain the robot's battery life, limiting its operational duration. Optimizing power efficiency while maintaining performance is a key focus for Tesla, as prolonged operation is essential for practical applications. Cost is another significant barrier. Musk has suggested a long-term price target of $30,000 for Optimus, but the current complexity of the hand's components and production processes points to an initial cost closer to $40,000, comparable to a mid-range vehicle. This price reflects the high cost of specialized motors, magnets, and sensors, as well as the labor-intensive manufacturing process. Achieving a lower price point will require significant advancements in production efficiency and supply chain management, which may take years to realize. For now, the higher cost could limit Optimus accessibility, particularly for individual households, though businesses may find the investment justifiable for industrial applications. Safety is a critical consideration, as the hand strength and precision could pose risks if not properly managed. Tesla has implemented AI-driven safety features, such as monitoring hand movements to prevent excessive force and enabling automatic shutdown if anomalies are detected. Over-the-air software updates allow for continuous refinement, while role-based controls ensure the robot cannot be repurposed for harmful uses. However, ensuring these safety systems are foolproof, particularly in unpredictable environments, remains a challenge, as any malfunction could undermine public trust in Optimus. Tesla's broader mission to transition AI from virtual to physical domains hinges on overcoming these challenges. The hand, as the primary interface between digital intelligence and the physical world, is central to this vision. While Optimus Gen 3 represents a monumental leap forward, its development is a complex endeavor, requiring Tesla to navigate supply chain constraints, production hurdles, and technical limitations. The robot's potential to transform industries and households is immense, but realizing this potential demands relentless innovation and problem-solving. What are your thoughts on the challenges facing Optimus Gen 3? Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to your next video.